RSK, let it play, boy.
Hey, what's up everyone? I just woke up not too long ago, so my hair's kind of wet, but anyways. My name is Sage, welcome to Oblivion's Garage. Today we're pretty much going to be adding on the spacers right here. Spacers and pretty much, so getting on the GS350 wheels and kind of like a restoration video, because I'm doing this. I'm going to be doing a chrome one. And then, I don't think I've ever showed it, but on, I think my passenger side, this light is broken. So pretty much going to be showing me putting this new one on and taking the old one off. That's all cracked. Putting this on and replacing it for the ugly one that I messed up on. And then I got 4 3mm spacers. I think that's what they are, 3mm. Yeah, going to be, hopefully we can space out each wheel 3mm, which would be kind of nice. If not, we're probably just gonna use 2 for the front so that I can get the wheels on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I forgot what I was gonna say. Anyways, I forgot. Let's just jump right into this. Alright, so I'm currently in my Lexus right now, and I'm about to take off the original one. I'm not gonna record it though, cause my hood struts. Oh, I dropped it. I'm not gonna record it though because my hood struts are bad, and it's gonna be kind of hard to hold the hood with my head and record. So I'm gonna take it off, show comparison. Oh, is my camera dirty? Oh, I can tell. But I'm gonna take them off, show comparison, and then move on to the wheels. But yeah, see you guys when I have the original one. Alright, my bad y'all. I kinda got carried away and lost in the moment. But I put on one wheel and I'm starting to jack up the passenger side. And 1 3mm spacer, I actually spaced it out. Let me show you guys. Ugh. Let me see right here. Ugh. So yeah. And I also put on the front badge. Oh wait, but I already showed that, so it doesn't really matter. What else am I doing? Oh, I still haven't put this on right here. Gonna whatchamacallit. I'm gonna finish up this side real quick. Take out the bolts on the front, on the passenger side. This jack right here sucks. Just one from AutoZone. This one right here sucks also. I have to use this one. And I have my jack stand right there. So, hey, a little haggard, but it gets the job done. Ugh. Let me try and do this. So, this right here. Boom. That comes off. I have my little breaker bar right here. Oh, I can't do it with one hand. Anyways. Yeah, I'm a bit tired. But got that on. But yeah, I'll get to you guys right now once this wheel is taken off. Alright, so focus. Anyway, I finally got the wheel off. Didn't take me that long, but these are the old tires, the old wheels, and then the new tires. So these wheels right here are 16s. 16s, 225s. These are 18s, 235s. These are a bit wider, but glad I got all my wheels on, or not yet, but now I'm gonna go throw this on. Hold on. Give me a second. Let me put this on first. Alright, so I got it on. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to throw these on. Make sure they don't scrape. Which, as you can see, right there, before the spacer, they were scraping. So I hope this one spacer should space it out just enough so it won't scrape. Hopefully. Let's go. Alright, so what's up everybody? Jaden just pulled up.
Yeah, what's up guys? It's been a minute, but I'm back in the channel now, finally. Went to go do some
You're in the last video.
I wasn't in the last video.
But then we haven't posted in a while.
Yeah, we haven't posted in a while. But anyways, we're still back guys. So today, Sage had just ordered some spacers a while back and he got them in the mail.
Bro, I already did all that.
You already did all that?
Yeah.
Keep this in the vlog though, by the way.
I already did the intro.
Yeah. See guys, this is what happens when you go to Africa and you barely come back.
But alright, so then we just put the other wheel on, so we got all four corners now, which I'm really happy. Just listening, because if you guys remember for the last episode how it was rubbing, which I feel it a little bit right now, but
I can hear it too, but it's not as bad as it was when we first put these wheels on. Or actually, I don't really hear it no more now. I think we grinded it away. We don't recommend you do this at home, kids. But I don't hear it grinding. Do you still feel it?
I feel it a little bit. I feel a little vibration in that right side, which isn't bad. It's so from the last time when it was rubbing.
Yeah.
What happened is that it left like I don't know, like it left like weird high marks in the wheel. And it's doing it on this side too, yeah. And so pretty much all it's doing is rubbing all that away.
Gotcha.
So after all that's done, we'll be fine.
Car ride's perfectly fine. It's not like it's making the car ride bad or horrible. It's not giving it an unsafe ride either. I mean, it's perfectly safe. The wheel's on the hub, perfectly tight and fine.
Yep.
It's perfect. It works. Although we don't recommend you try this because there's other methods that yes can help you. But this method for us just works and it saves you money.
Yep.
Who doesn't like not saving money?
Yep. That's true.
Budget.
Only thing I'm gonna need to get is an alignment now.
Yeah, alignment.
Which, I mean, my alignment's not bad, but it's...
We have taken off the wheel a lot.
Yeah, we've taken off the wheels a lot. Like, I can just kind of feel it a little bit. But it's not bad.
It's fine. For right now. Yeah, it's honestly, it's chilling. That's a big dip.
Basically, it slowly goes to the right. You see that?
Yeah.
So anyways, I'm just gonna get an alignment, which isn't bad. And I think I need to fix something on this right side either way. Because whoever had this car before me, and whoever was working on this car before me,
didn't know what they're doing.
Yeah. Because before I started this channel, I had a power steering problem. And it turned out that whoever put it on the pulley actually never tightened it all the way. So what happened was, pretty much the whole pulley, like all the gears on the inside, pretty much grinded away.
Yeah.
And yeah, I was fucking rice, baby.
But anyways, so yeah, message kids, if you buy a car, you're brand new to the game, it's your first car, make sure you check it thoroughly. And if you don't know what you're doing, have a mechanic. Yes, they may charge you or they may not charge you. Some mechanics are nice, some aren't. But just check it thoroughly, because it's not cheap to fix a car. And especially if you guys, you know, don't have a full-time job and you're working part-time, you gotta save money, man. That's the only way you gotta do it. But I mean, it wasn't really an expensive fix for you, right? I mean, it's pretty reasonable.
Yeah.
So just be warned. It's a common thing that happens. But honestly, this car has been nothing but good to you. It's treated you good. Nothing wrong. Like, it's the best bang for your buck.
Oh yeah, like nothing too mechanically wrong with this car. The only issue I've had is the issues with whoever worked on this car before me, because it was taken to a dealership and a lot of dealerships half-ass shit.
Yeah, like really bad.
That's why I would rather work on my car, learn my car, and honestly, that's the best way to do it.
It's a whole another hobby you're learning, skill, and it honestly helps you and others very much.
Oh yeah, it saves you money. Alright, anyways, we're going to be putting on the side marker right now too. So yeah, just give me a minute.
Yeah, by the time we're done with it, it's gonna be 3 in the morning. But hey, it's gonna be whatever time for you guys, and yeah, it's only gonna take a few seconds.
Honestly, yeah, because it is gonna be dark.
Yeah. Well,
I'll just put up before and after pictures of it, and you'll see that. Right. Because side marker is really boring, anyways. There's already tutorials on YouTube, so yeah. Anyways, bye.
All right.
Alright y'all, so this is where the video is gonna end. And this is the side marker that I got. Ta-da! Anyways, before it was like really cracked, I'll post some pictures of it. Well, I already have because yeah. Anyways, I'm new to this, but editing is magic, so yeah, we're just gonna have a little cinematic wash, kind of cinematic. And then it'll just go to the outro, so.
See you guys.